If you're relatively new to the violin, you may be wondering, how do the pros do it? How do they make it seem so effortless when clearly it is not? Well, today I'm spilling the secrets from the pros. I'm going to be sharing with you my secrets and tips from over 20 years of experience playing the violin, as well as tips and tricks from some of the most well-known violinists in the game. Hi, I'm Lauren, a professional violinist and fiddle player currently living in Nashville, Tennessee, and I help thousands of people like you achieve their violin and fiddle goals. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. We would love to have you here. One secret that every professional musician knows is to practice slowly. If you're rushing through material during a practice session, you can be almost certain it's not going to stick. Instead of wasting their time on sloppy, rushed, inconsistent practice, a professional takes their time, honing in on the finer details until mastering the passage of music they're working on, and they don't move on until it's perfected. My second secret from the pros is open string practice. It sounds simple, but playing open strings with long, slow bows and incorporating that into your warm-up can be a wonderful way to improve things like tone and technique. You can focus in on your right hand and what's happening with your bow. There are so many benefits to open string practice, but this is a little known practice technique touted by acclaimed violinists such as Itzhak Perlman, Joshua Bell, and Hilary Hahn. Secret number 3 is practicing scales. Now, I know, it's not what you want to hear, but it's the truth. A professional doesn't become a pro without practicing their scales. Every good violinist and fiddle player knows that the best way to start a practice session is by playing scales slowly to work on things like tone, technique, and key familiarity. Well, those were my secrets from the pros that you may not have been aware of. Try them out for yourself and see how it goes. You might just be amazed at how your playing changes. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy practicing!